Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're standing in front of one of my favorite places. It would certainly qualify as one of the best Dallas apartments, and that's the Selene. This is the Selene Luxury Residences in Dallas, Texas. It's in the Uptown Dallas area. It's a beautiful high-rise. I would call it almost kind of a pocket high-rise because, it's about, I think about 14 stories, 12 to 14 stories. It's gorgeous, and I think you're gonna love it. We've actually been here before. We filmed it when it was kind of first opening, but now we want to come back, refresh. We've got a new camera. We want to get some better content even. And we're just going to give you more of a feel of what it's like here to be at the Selene. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing on any of these videos, send me a text, just use the number below, and we can set up a virtual tour anytime. We can also set up a live tour in person as well. You're going to see about 12 to 14 videos here of the Selene. You can skip around, you could just watch the whole playlist, but this will be literally the best tour you've ever seen of the Selene. Now, hey, let's go ahead and look at the parking, and that's really important, and we're going to discover that right now. Let's go to the next video.